Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Okay, let's have our example. So let's divide the polynomials x raised to 3 plus 4x minus 7 and x minus 3 using synthetic division. So in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our divisor to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then solve for the value of x. Let's transpose negative 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us x is equal to positive 3. And 3 will be our divisor for our synthetic division. Next is we're going to copy the coefficient of our dividend. So let's copy the coefficient. So our first term is 1. Now take note that after x raised to 3, there should be another term here for x raised to 2. Since x raised to 2 is not present in our polynomial, we will add the term 0x squared for the placement of x squared. And the coefficient of 0x squared is 0. So let's add it here. 0. Then let's continue. Okay. Our next coefficient is positive 4. And our last term is negative 7. Okay. Now let's have our synthetic division. Let's bring down positive 1. So bringing down positive 1. And then multiply 1 to our divisor 3. So 1 times 3, that is 3. And let's place it here. Then let's add. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then let's repeat the same process. 3 times 3, that is 9. So let's place it here. 9. Then let's add 4 and 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. So that is 13. Now let's multiply 13 and 3. That will give us a product of 39. Then let's add negative 7 and 39. Their sum will be positive 32. Now, after applying our synthetic division, let's identify the leading term. So what will be our leading term? So to get the variable of our leading term, we will focus our attention to our first term of our polynomial. Since we're dividing x raised to 3 and x, okay, let's get their quotient. X raised to 3 divided by x, their quotient will be x squared. Therefore, our leading term is going to start with x squared, followed by x, followed by a constant, and then this last term, 32, will serve as our remainder. So 32 is our remainder. Now let's write our final answer. So we will just copy. We will start with x squared, then positive 3x, then positive 13. Now let's add our remainder. So our remainder is 32, and it is divided by our divisor x minus 3. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.